Here's a question on statistical diagrams. We've got car sales arranged by day and arranged by week. And the first part's fairly easy, that we've been told that the car sales for week 2 are 100 cars, and we've got to complete the table. So it's just adding up the other numbers, and they come to 79. Take that away from 100, and we find there are 21 car sales. So 21 goes in week 2 on the table. Now we've got to design a suitable chart on which to display this data. So what suitable chart should we do? Well, I think it's fairly obvious that it should be some sort of bar chart. It would be great to put week 1 and week 2 next door to each other for each day of the week, so that the salesman can clearly see how well he's doing on each day and whether the week 2 is better than week 1 on any particular day. We've got to design an axis. I would recommend you start doing this in pencil in case you run out of space and you change your mind. So I'm going to try this out. So that's going to work out well. Now, what about the sales? What's the lowest sale? We've got 10 is the lowest sale, and the highest sale, 40. Well, we probably should include 0, and indeed a tiny bit of space in case in a future week we get more than 40 cars. So I think a suitable scale will be to start from 0, make this 10, make this 50. I've got the benefit of graphics, but yes, you'll have to do it on your paper. Certainly don't experiment in ink, or it's going to turn into a complete mess. Okay, I'm going to use colour to differentiate the weeks and start putting the values in. And now the week 2s I'll do in red. And here they are. The only other thing we need to do is to pop on a key. And there's the completed chart. And that's what the exam question would expect from you. I hope that was all right.